Hi again and welcome to my channel. My name is Olga. If you don't know me yet, this is my channel about fashion and style, and please consider to subscribe. And today we make a video about the trends in the shoes and purchases of shoes same time, because I will show you the options that I purchase of quite trendy shoes, and will link everything below. I've already made a video about some pieces I've bought in high street and trendy pieces in my last video. If you didn't see it, I will put it somewhere here. And I decided to make this video separately with shoes because I have quite a lot of pairs of shoes here to show you. I've been on some shopping diet recently for a few months before, and this gave me a possibility to think about my closet and to know exactly what I want to see in my closet and what I will really use or not, so I don't need to sell clothes and buy all the time. I enjoyed this pause and now I'm back on track, so it will be more of those videos with some hauls. And we will start with the first trend is leopard print. I have two pairs, and the first one is this from the brand, is German brand Zigne or Zeigne. It's a little bit like soft like fur on these shoes. They're quite open for spring and summer. I don't think that I will use them with socks, but I don't know, maybe it depends on the styling, but preferably on the like bare feet. I love to have a lot of different shoes in summer, and Scandinavian summer is not so warm, so I basically am frozen here in sandals, so for me this shoes is perfect. They are soft. I love this brand. I already purchased it several times. They sell it on Zalando and maybe somewhere else also, I don't know. I will check it for you. We'll leave the links. I think the small leopard accent will be cool with all the beige outfit or white outfit or black outfit or denim outfit, yeah, with something more classical and with something casual and not very screamy, with like one color outfit. So this can be a small accent, but not too much within the shoes. I've showed you the leopard coat in previous video, and this is a little bit more calm thing, and leopard coat is more screaming trend. And another shoes I bought with a round toe ballerinas from the brand Pretty Ballerinas with some small bows here. They're quite cute. They are so comfortable. It's already used them on my trip. I have been to Spain, and I will link the video with outfits somewhere there. Actually, this is Spanish brand, and I took the shoes from Sweden to my travel to Spain, and when I was there I was like, oh, they also have it. Another big trend is the studs, and I purchased this pair of shoes in Spain. It's shoes, also very comfortable, very nice studs. Studs will be with us for quite a while. They started last season from these shoes from Alaya, well known, but for me it's not there is no use to invest a lot of money to this kind of shoes. I don't know how many years we will love this trend. I love studs, but we will see how it will go. But from high street trend brand, I also had the shoes from Mango from last season. Now they have very similar with little bit less studs and nets. It's one more trend, nets. And I have the whole bag here with, sorry for the loud, shoes from Mango, which I purchased just yesterday. And I will show you this. The next trend is net shoes. How to show it to you? It's a nets here. Very cool. I had some 15 minutes was waiting for my friend, but I already checked before in Mango for some trendy shoes, which I wanted to come and try sometime. So I had time just to quickly grab several of pairs. I will try them at home a little bit more, but I think that all of them will stay with me. I wanted to have something like this. I was looking before. They're quite expensive, about 100 euros for nets. Probably it is maybe as real leather inside, and I love how they look. First, I didn't want to follow this trend from last season. I was a little bit like curious if I will still like it, but now I see that even all my classical pieces that I have, all my very elegant costumes, they look a little bit, or dresses, they look a little bit more trendy, chic, interesting with net shoes. So I decided that all my closet where I have a lot of nice statement pieces from Max Mara and other brands which are a little bit more elegant vibe, it's cool to mix and match them with some of these shoes. Also, it's possible to grab this pair when you have just the jeans and a t-shirt or a shirt or a leather jacket. I think it looks quite cool when you already want to show your feet, you are not cold, but still you can have some outwear and like almost naked shoes. It's quite trendy now also. And another pair is similar. This is also from Mango. They are cheaper. This another type of nets, and there is also this small detailing over the leg here. I decided to grab them also, and then because everything is sold out so quickly, so I can just check in a few days, maybe it will be sold out online and in store. This cost like 50 euros, and for me they are more like similar to Alive. I don't know which one I like more. I will probably keep the both ones. Each of them are beautiful on their way. We'll show you a little bit closer how they look together, what is the difference. Yes, and from the back side I couldn't actually decide, so I grabbed the both. I used those one with studs quite a lot last season for traveling and in the city, but sometimes I don't want to have the shiny studs, like it's actually like Swarovski crystals. So when I don't want to have shiny studs, or when I don't want to have metal studs, then I can go to one of these two pairs in the net. This trend I love, as you see, a lot. Now I have a few pairs of them. Next pair from Mango is here. It's a white shoes with straps here, belty details. This is also a trend now, as you see. They've been in Prada, they've been in Mango. I have a red Mango shoes also with some detailing and straps here. Was hunting them because they are sold out everywhere. So this is real leather from Mango, and they cost 110 euros approximately, or maybe 100, I don't know, we have in Swedish krona, is so high, but you can check it online. It's leather inside and outside. I love the color. I love that they are a little bit grayish white, not white. They are like off-white, and this black stitching detailing is amazing. It will go together good with the black clothes and different clothes. This stitching details makes them look more casual for me, not very just for evening. And the small kitten heel, not very tall. I can't walk on the high heels actually. I'm so short. I'm 158 centimeters, so for me high heels is like killing me. If I walk, it doesn't look even good when I walk on them, so I prefer something like that. I've had a pair in white shoes from Zara, but they are so shiny white and screaming white, so I wanted something more calm. I think this goes good with more outfits actually. They also have the black ones. Thinking about if I need black ones, because I have black shoes with this detailing belts from last season from Zara. It's real leather. Let me show you. And I use them quite a lot, so I don't know if I really need on the heel also, because I have a few other black shoes on heels, but maybe I will order the black one also while they are not sold out, because 100 euros for a leather shoes, it's quite a good hunt. Another trendy piece is this kind of flip-flops, like when you have this, you know, thing here. I've always had difficulties to find shoes which suits my feet, because they're quite wide and I don't want them to look not pretty, but those look good. I tried them in store and just no problems with it, and the heel is good. The first time for a few seasons I've actually found the piece which doesn't fall away from my feet, and when I walk, and yeah, then I can say that everything goes good in these shoes, and the height of the heel. I don't know if it is leather. They cost for 400 kroner. It's like 140 euros. Very comfy. I think these open sandals can look very chic with some classical trousers, suits, or long dresses, or some flawless or some flowy materials with silk pants or skirt. Yeah, like now I need one more vacation already to use them. I think they had some other size color, I don't remember. And I bought another strapped sandals. How many pairs is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th pair from Mango, from yesterday only. Maybe you will think that it's too much to buy 5 pairs one day, but I thought that now it's time to catch them, otherwise they will be sold out. These shoes made me like, when I saw them online, I thought, oh my goodness, I need to have them. It's something that I've been longing for so long time. This tan color with a black, it's a perfect for all my tan accessories. I've been thinking about purchasing Hermes sandals in the tan Oasis model with a heel, but I always like negotiated with myself if I really need them or not, or if I like this big block heel. My feet looks more elegant with a smaller heel, kitten heel, and here is everything is perfect. It's just for those people who want to have the tan sandals but don't want to have the block heel. I just think that it's so rarely can find something like this, and this is real leather. I can see the straps. I hope that they are comfortable, otherwise it will be pity. I didn't use them yet, but usually you don't go so very far away in this kind of shoes. It's like more evening or hotel beach stuff. I can imagine to have them in the city when you don't walk 3 hours, but you go to meet your friend to have a cup of coffee. This can be an option. Also, I can take them to restaurant. Can wear them, take them to vacation, of course, and can have them in the city. So perfect. Very glad with this pair of shoes. And the classical ballet flats, those ones are in beige tan color, another beige. They're more gray or a taupe than the sandals, and these are from Vagabond. Every season they have great shoes. They actually, this season they have very similar to this model. I will link you a few pairs. I already have from Vagabond like 3 pairs from last season, exactly the same like those in black, and I use them so much, so I decided to go for beige ones this season. This model actually I have in size 37 both pairs because it's quite big. First I bought 38, but they were too big. I usually have 38 in all my shoes here. They all are 38, but only this one are 37. Another Mary Jane's from Vagabond I bought last season in 38 because there this small strap actually carries your leg, but I think I could buy them in 37 also. I used so much both of them, and Mary Jane's and like this Chanel vibe. This came back like a trend because for a few years this Chanel style ballet flats, they were not so popular like now. They came back with these small details, so I purchased 2 of them also, which I showed you in the beginning of the video. So these are my Chanel vibe shoes. I don't see myself in the near future to buy real Chanel flats because even though they are very nice and beautiful, but I don't use this kind of luxury shoes brands for my work, and for everyday it doesn't feel like if I have a need to buy them. I work so much on my feet, so I prefer to have shoes which are comfortable and I can easily like kill them for a season or 2 and then I will not regret. So for now, Chanel flats is not on my best, real Chanel flats is not on my best wish list. So that was basically my new shoe collection, how to say, for the next season, and a new trendy and quite classical pieces for the new spring and summer season. I hope you liked the video. Write me which shoes did you buy for yourself this season recently. I always like to read your comments. I'm very grateful for your support of my channel. Please put the like to this video. It will help other people to find my channel. I'm always very grateful for your support and for your comments. I see you in my next one. Bye bye.